Okay, good evening, all of you. Good evening. Nice to have you back. Shweta, Gauri, good evening. Abhishek, Akashdeep, Shivalika, Ashwarya. Glad to have you back. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, Shreya. Yeah, good evening. So, बताओ फिर, have you all checked your portals? Like Wajiram portal में, I had uploaded good about 10-12 answers. कुल मिला के I think we have shared around 20 answers with you. And all the videos also have had uploaded to the last session, which is a geographical thought. Beta, I am requesting to all of you, do not leave the answers on the portal. आप उसको देख के अपना notes बना लो. Write down the answers in your own handwriting. Okay, if you are not writing it, then you are losing this advantage. Okay, Lavansh, enough to beta nahi hai, but they should give you a lot of lead over the others. देखो हर साल क्या होता है ना, there are 2 or 3 questions which you do not know how they can phrase and how they can ask us. But the range that we are doing, the range that we are covering, I think you should be comfortable with most of the questions. Okay, recollecting becoming difficult should because आप notes नहीं बना रहे हो शायद, and maybe you have not done your initial reading properly. Okay, test प्री के बाद कर दो, कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है. उज्जवल 2 टेस्ट तो प्री के बाद है ही. Okay, 1 टेस्ट मैंने रखा है प्री के पहले. Okay, so आपको क्या चाहिए बताओ? Do you all want the test after the pre? I thought कि you can give the test before the pre and be through with it. खत्म कर लो एक mental, okay, you know, after pre, before pre, after pre. नहीं पढ़ नहीं पाओगे. पोस्ट प्री गर्मी कम करवा दीजिए. Before pre, I mean, I'm getting alternate मिल रहा है मुझे poll. So somebody is balancing this for me. Okay, before pre, after pre, before pre, after pre. बेटा आप लोग के भलाई के लिए ही मैंने रखा है before the pre, ताकि after the pre आप लोग और ध्यान से, okay, you can prepare for the mains. Before pre full test, हाँ वो तो मैंने किया ही बेटा. Full test जो है रूपल, the 2 full tests are after the pre. तो वो तो मैंने बता ही दिया. I think are you all aware of that कि नहीं? After the prelims दो comprehensive test हैं, वो तो बात नहीं है. बस एक thought वाला मैं चाह रहा था कि खत्म करते, you would have been mentally free, that you have done geography, okay, and you are through with it more or less. That was the idea, and I have kept the date as 29th of June. Okay, I have kept the date as 29th of June for your test, and I will take 2 sessions on your discussions because you have seen last time एक session में सारा test discuss हो नहीं पाता है. Okay. तो क्या आप लोग का शायद इरादा चेंज हो रहा है? Okay. सोच लो, ठीक है. Will it be 2 hours? It will be a full length test, Krishna. The 3 hours का होता है full length test. सर बुक्स की PDF. सर आप शंका ओपिनियन पूछते हैं कि आपकी बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. आप सबको ओपिनियन, ओके. कभी कभी ज्यादा लिबर्टी डिमांड बढ़ जाती है. ये दिल मांगे मोर टाइप्स. देखो बेटा, यू नो वन थिंग आई रियलाइज, आप लोग कोई स्कूल के बच्चे तो हो नहीं. आप लोग you're all old enough, many of you have left your jobs and come. कुछ तो परिवार, सब परिवार, बाल बच्चे, बीवी वाले भी हो. अब आपको मैं क्या डांटूं बताओ? You're all grown up. You're all mid 20s, early 20s में. That's why it always makes sense that I ask you, assuming कि all of you are responsible enough. But अगर फिर भी आपको लगता है कि you cannot take a responsible 15, मयंक is 15. बेटा आपसे तो मैं छोटा हूं मयंक. Okay, आपकी पैदाइश से तो शायद you are older to me than Mayank. कोई बात नहीं, glad to know big brother Mayank. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Let's get started. If the things the way they are, Mayank will have more experience of COVID type pandemics, God forbid, but he'll become robust. Age limit is 32. Chalo, theek hai, let's get started now. Okay, so geographical thought is done, but there are a couple of overlaps with geographical thought in the models and theories unit. Can we start off now? Are you all ready? Can we begin? No, but one thing that I'm actually concerned about is the attendance on the live session has reduced dramatically. Is it because आपको live session पसंद नहीं आ रहा है या आप पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो? I do not know. Because those who drop out, they never come and tell me why did they drop out. Okay, somebody must tell me. और अगर recording ही अच्छा है, then तो I will record all the sessions, put it up there. आप अपने मर्जी देखो. इतना dramatic fall in attendance. Okay, it always makes me restless. Connectivity की issue है. Live sets the pace. I to believe in live. There are about 60, 70 students less than what should be. I do not know. This is a very big number. ठीक है? Same time Mridul sir का class है. Okay, but then 60, 70 तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Open ही नहीं हो रहा. Prince. But I do not know. फिर आप तो yes, once in a while I understand. Yes, once in a while problem होती है. Okay, be patient. वो मुझसे भी दिक्कत होती है, खुलती नहीं है पोर्टल, फिर खुल ही जाता है eventually. Okay, live sessions are the best. Enjoying unlock one. Unlock one. Is there paper 1, paper 2 types? Unlock 1, unlock 2, lockdown 1, lockdown 2. Many have forgotten today we have a class. Long gap, 1 week ताकि आप consolidate कर लो. That was the idea. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let's begin. So I hope you all can see my screen. Can you all see my white screen? Yes. Okay. ठीक. It's possible that on some days the portal doesn't operate. Okay, link तो बेटा सबके पास है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. The same link continues. I have not changed the link. It's just that आपका password है. Plan for today. Plan for today is I'm starting with the models and theories, and I will try finishing at least half of my scope. Like in next half may I can spend another discussion models and theories. And today's discussion will be on systems analysis, a bit on location theories, and I'll see if I can take up something on a bit of your growth models also. Okay, PDF. अच्छा रीमा 2 मिनट सुनो आप. देखो प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ है. I operate like an enterprise. Okay. Enterprise मतलब हमारी establishment है. There's a company. I'm registered company. मैं तो नहीं खैर, somebody else registered. I am तो still one of the teachers there. Okay, so EduCamp is not exactly my entirely mine. Okay, I have a very very small stake. It is somebody else. So it's all registered. एक company बनी हुई है. The problem, Rima, is that if I distribute PDF, which are pirated copies, okay, it can have legal implications on me. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा है कि सर आप PDF क्यों नहीं फॉरवर्ड करा देते हो? I have the PDFs, okay, some of not all of them, but I cannot be seen distributing the PDFs officially. Yes, Ujjwal, आप लोग बच्चे हो, आप लोग कर रहे हो. Honestly, I suggest all of you must buy a copy. Okay, एक और सेट खरीद लो. Okay, बेटा कुल मिला के Okay, 8-10 किताबें हैं, एवरेज प्राइस ऑफ ईच इज 200 रुपीज, इंटू 10 कर लो, 2000 रुपया खर्च होगा आपका. बाय अ न्यू सेट ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक्स. मेनी ऑफ यू, आपकी किताबें दिल्ली में रह गई हैं. ओके, अगर नोट्स भी यहां पर है, सो सी इफ यू कैन डू समथिंग टू टेक योर नोट्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली. ठीक है, बट आप एक एक किताब खरीद दो बेटा, बिकॉज देखो पीडीएफ एंड ऑनलाइन से ना यू कैन नॉट टेक योर नोट्स. आप ऐसे ही पढ़ सकते हो, नॉवल देख सकते हो मे बी, बट टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ाई पीडीएफ में आई डू नॉट नो, मे बी एक और जनरेशन के बाद शायद हो जाए, अभी तो मुश्किल है. Okay, so my suggestion to all of you is please buy one copy. And I'm deliberately avoiding the PDF thing from my portal and from my channel is because of that. इसमें लीगल इश्यूज हैं बेटा, कौन कहां पर लीगल केस कर दे, फिर मैं दौड़ता रहूं, कहां फंसूं मैं. Like a lot of copyright infringement issues हो जाती हैं. Okay, so if in fact I have talked to one of the publications, Rawat Publication ने बात की है, if they can give me a subscription of the textbook, अगर वो मुझे मिल जाता है institutional subscription, I'll share with that, I'll share with all of you. Okay, so आप देख लो, okay, how you can manage. और टेलीग्राम चैनल में अदर चैनल्स, okay, आप देख लो जहां पर okay, available है, you can download. But from my side, this is my limitation. I hope you understand my position here. ठीक है? So let's get started now. Okay? So now the topic we are entering is models and theories in human geography. Okay? Models and theories in human geography. This is a very very important unit. हर साल एक question तो इसमें आता ही है, and in some years they have been asking 2 or 3 questions also. Okay. Now there are 2 type of questions that they can ask you. Okay, this is the format I'm suggesting. Okay, one type of question is where they ask you about the concept. They ask you about the concept. So what is systems analysis? Discuss what do you mean by the abstractions in systems analysis. Discuss the contributions of systems analysis in human geography. Okay. What is growth pole theory? Discuss the concept of Peru's growth pole concept. What is von Thunen's theory? Explain Weber's locational triangle. Okay, so एक type of question होगा which is based on the concept. This is more in terms of asking you some aspect of the theory. Another type of question you're having, is the voice problem for all of you? ठीक है, then allow me, I will I'm changing the channel. Is the voice okay now? Is the voice okay now? ठीक है, I need to change the channels in between. That's the reason. Okay, ठीक है. So can you all see my screen? Is the whiteboard visible to all of you? Okay, ठीक है. Yeah. So I was explaining that in models and theories, there are 2 types of questions that they can ask you. One is a question which is based on the concept or the theory, okay, where they ask you about what is growth poles model, explain the concept of cumulative causation theory, what do you mean by crystallar central place theory, explain the marketing principle, okay, what is locational triangle. So ये concept theory based question है. और एक टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं which are the application based. Application based, like discuss the application of systems approach in human geography. Discuss the application of von Thunen in agriculture location. Discuss the application of Mackinder in the real-time present-day geopolitics. तो एक है कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन और एक है एप्लीकेशन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. And in recent times, they have been asking application type of questions more frequently. So the structure, okay, the structure of the answer kaise hoga? So you have start with the definition, okay, a bit of history maybe, where you can mention the book's name, you can mention the year when this theory was given, okay. Then you move on towards the diagram. I hope you remember how we have structured our answers. You move on towards diagram, then directly go into the concepts, explain the concepts, okay, and concepts 1, 2, 3 karke have one section where you explain the applicability, okay, and the conclusion keep it as, okay, 2-3 sentences. Is the screen not visible? The screen not visible? Too much of lag? Acha, I'm logging out and I will log in again. ठीक है? I'm logging out and I will log in again.